Shots, 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 shots. Budget's a little bit better and I start reviewing some more shots, I'll get Little John on here to sing his shot song or whatever. But anyways, Vive Organic Wellness Rescue and Immunity Boost. This one, oil of oregano, elderberry, ginger root, cayenne pepper, oil of oregano, whatever you want to say. Anyways, I just did a little quick review with a cool story about how that helped out a friend who may have been suffering from appendicitis. You might want to check that out. It's only got 4 grams of carbs, 4 grams of sugar actually, 5 grams of total carbs, 0 fiber in this one. Orange juice, lemon juice, ginger root juice, elderberry, oil of oregano extract, aloe, cayenne pepper, everything's organic. Wellness Shots Co. Incorporated, distributed by California, Venice, California, blah, blah, blah. This bad boy. Ginger, turmeric, echinacea, black pepper. Organic, verified, non-GMO. Again, every ingredient's organic. Pineapple, ginger. All right, let's see how it goes. Doctor crafted. Whoa. That's a lot of ginger. Wow, I haven't had a shot of ginger in a long time. I used to juice ginger a whole lot, but man. Oh, I'm going to pause. Wow, guys, that really burns. Burns pretty good. I like it, though. There's probably no way this one burns that much. I really should have tried that one first, but with the cayenne pepper, I didn't know which one would be hotter. Well, I should have known this one would have been with those 3. Still feeling the burn from the last one. Let's hope this goes down easier. Like cayenne and the oil of oregano. Wow, guys. That's intense. Wow. This one's probably going to be my favorite. I like that one a lot. That one not as much. I mean, they're both good. They're both hot. But definitely a winner. That's my favorite. Wow. Some string up in here. All right, guys. Boost your immune. Receive some well.